How do I make a private talk group? Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to create a radio ID. I mean, not a radio ID, sorry. A talk group. And come down to the bottom of our list. You can come here, type the name of something. Change to the next one here to a private call. Put in the private DMR ID you want. We'll save that. Now we come over to our channels. And we can create a channel. So now, as you see right here, this one's using my local repeater in my area, but it has customer. I don't want the customer's name shown, so I put customer there so you guys don't know who it is. But this way, I can talk to a customer directly. I could just switch to that channel that I put in a group, and I could talk to them. So I believe that channel is right here. My customer zone. So you just do that, make sure it's in there, and as long as the channel's created, you can just switch that channel, key up, and there you go. You're talking directly to that person, so long as they're on the network. The radio has to be turned on and connected. So